Today, we review the best 5 propane smoker that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Masterbuilt GS40 Black Propane Smoker. These 40-inch sleek and black powder-coated outer-shelled propane smokers also facilitate 4 adjustable as well as removable smoking racks as an absolute favorite of most barbecue lovers just like you who just love the taste of smokehouse-flavored turkey with your friends and family both at the comfort of your gardens as well as outdoors.
Number 2.
Cuisinart Cuda 244 Vertical 36 inches Propane Smoker. Next in line, you will find this super fun smoker that comes in a compact build ideal for patio or kitchens even, and guess what, you don't even need to be a great deal of an expert at barbecuing to get your cooking going perfect on this smoker, thanks to the easy to follow recipe book that comes along with it.
Number 3.
Diona Glow LP Gas Smoker. The Diona Glow LP gas smoker is for those of you who love a high-quality smoker which also features least maintenance time but provide you with all the more efficiency that you wanted. This wide-body smoker comes with a total of 1,235 square inches of cooking space along with a massive 20,000 BTUs coming from the special featurette of dual cast iron burners that's a go-go for long-lasting durability.
Number 4.
Smoke Hollow Propane Gas Smoker. With 4.3 stars on a scale of 5, you can pretty much guess how valued the Smoke Hollow Duo Doorwood Smoker is towards barbecue lovers like yourself. The 3.4 cubic feet cooking chamber along with the 20,000 BTU gas output gives you the idea about the capacity of this fun smoker.
Number 5.
CharBroil Vertical Liquid Propane Gas Smoker. The double firebox drawer further adds the options of easier access to tin the porcelain water bowl and wood chips box so as to not cause even the slightest amount of heat loss to the main cooking chamber or distort the smokiness to your favorite T-bone. You'll also find the handles to be spring-style cool touch protecting your hands from burning out.